Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jackson County in Florida, central Holmes County in Florida, northeastern Washington County in Florida, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles west of Bonifay, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Sure it is.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
When I unplug the CO truck.
Thank you. Okay. Let's, excuse me.
Holland Crossroads in Jacobs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather. Law Enforcement Agency. Will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Tallahassee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties. In Florida, Holmes and Washington.
That's probably it right there.
You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KGG 67 in Panama City. Operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
Cool.